Hi everyone. So I'm doing this quick video just to kind of explain this online geometry course because you are entering it late, so not at the beginning of the school year. So what I've done is I've taken your online or your previous grades. I've taken your previous grades and I have put those in for every assignment. So let's say you had a 90% from your previous course. So your transfer grade was a 90%. So if an assignment was worth 10 points in here, I gave you a 9. So you're 90% in every single category on everything that we have done so far. You guys need to start on Unit 1. So don't worry about doing Unit 0 folder. If you notice, you should have a grade in for all of Unit 0 folder. So everything up until Unit 1, you should have a grade on. So just go ahead and start with Unit 1 folder. So let me go back and show Schoology a little bit. So this is the Schoology page that you should see. If you click on the links, so the links are the words, not the picture. This is my email address that you can email me. Mid-Continent Library offers tutoring help. It's a one-on-one person. I think you can like ask a question, like they'll do it 5-minute increments or something like that. But if you have multiple questions, you just get off and get a new tutor and it works. Desmos is a graphing website that may be helpful. So graphing calculator app if you ever need that. If you need to set up a one-on-one conference with me, you click on here. It'll take you to this form. You fill out this form and you let me know what you're needing to discuss and your name and that you're in the online geometry course. And then I will get back to you with setting up a specific time. Khan Academy is another website that you can get extra help on the concepts. So go to this website, type in what concept we're working on that you need help on, and then it has more tutorial videos, and then it has practice problems also. Your online book, if you click on this link, it should take you straight to the page with the username and password already in there so you can get into the online book. So Unit 1 folder you don't have to worry about. We are in Unit 1, or 0 you don't have to worry about. We are in Unit 1. So we are starting in week 4. I open my folders on Wednesday and they are due the following Wednesday. So I opened this folder, since today is Thursday, I opened this folder yesterday. I try to get them open by noon. So if you go into this folder, it will tell you, I try to do a video on what you're going to do that week, but then I also try to do a write-up. What I recommend is you actually just printing this write-up off so that you can click on or cross off what you've done. It tells you what to do in order, okay? So if I go back to this folder, I try to put the things in order of what you need to do. So you take these notes, and then you do the homework. You take 1.2 notes. There's 2 videos for that one. There's a warm-up that goes back to 1.1. Then you do 1.2 homework, and then there's an annotating worksheet. To annotate, to know how to do that, the video instructions for that are back in, sorry, let me go back here. They're actually back in this Unit 0 folder, and I think they're in week 2. Let me make sure. Yes, how to annotate right here. So if you don't know how to write the answers and the work on the paper and then save it and then upload it, that is where you would find that. I think that is most of the information that you need to know. Main information is I let things go on Wednesday or open on Wednesday. They are due by Wednesday of the next week at noon. Now let's say you turn in something after when it's due. So Wednesday at noon. You turn it in next Wednesday at 1 o'clock. A lot of times I've already gone through your grades and I've uploaded them to PowerSchool. So it won't be uploaded into the following week. I have 150 students, some online, some not online. So keeping track of grades is very difficult. So the only way I can do that manageably is by uploading every Wednesday afternoon. So if you turn something in late, it may not be uploaded to PowerSchool until the following Wednesday. If you have additional questions, make sure to get a hold of me. Just let me know, or you can put them right here in this discussion board if you would like. I hope that kind of explains how this class works and what you need to do. All right, thanks guys.